Good afternoon, that's number one. Can't forget about number one, and we're going to jump right in. It's your boy Nerdboy Q with another episode of Just a Quick Four. So where we last left off is we created this function, right? Custom function. And the nice thing about functions is we can return values. So what we want to do is we want to copy this, the name of the function to return the value. And we're going to say that's equal to output array. All right, and then we're going to comment this out because we don't need it anymore. Create a new subroutine called create new table. So for this function, we're going to need our worksheet, we're going to need our table, and we're going to need our unique array. Go to the end, copy that. And now to call this is relatively the same as calling a function, just a slight difference. You have to use the keyword call. That's not hard. Cool. So now that we got that, let's define some variables. Say dim array position and start column as integer. Cool. So now that we got that, we're going to set our start column equal to 17, like we did previously. And we're going to say for array position equals 0 to u bound unique array. So we're going to iterate again like we've been doing. Next, go up and we'll say ws cells. And something interesting, we're going to say array position plus 2 because we want to make space for the header. So then we'll say array position plus 2, and we're going to say start column. Let's say value equals unique array position. Notice I started with 0. That's why my episodes start with 0, because in computer language usually you start with 0. So then we're going to say ws cells, and we're going to create some headers, and we're going to say row 1, we'll do start column, set the value equal to, let's make the first one type because that's what we care about, and we're going to copy this twice. Second one, we're going to say it is count. The third one, we're going to say that's percent. Boom. And now we got to increase the column. We got to say plus 1 here. And here we have to say, actually, plus 2. So now, previously we were overriding these cells, and we're going to not do that. So we're going to take all of this away. Get rid of all that. Great. So now when we run it, we should get some new data. Boom. Now we got our table started. In the next episode, I'm going to finish this and we're going to create our table. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Keep rocking with me. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Appreciate y'all. Keep coding.